Hey there, YouTube. Just a quick, a little bit of a review on this new brake set that I purchased. That I waited for 2 weeks because it got stuck in customs. Came from the UK. It's the Planet X Cnc Brakeset. This one in particular is in gunmetal color. There's not much of a review or a show and tell in YouTube regarding this brake, so might as well throw one in there. So first thing you're gonna notice is it's nicely made. It's pretty clean. It has that titanium hardware. Nicely machined. Some plastic parts here, save weight, I guess. But it's a nicely made brakes. It's pretty. It seems pretty quality. So it's a dual pivot. So that's going to be one here, and the second one will be this one, which slides on that bar right there. So when it brakes, it actually works this way. So it's a dual pivot system. I heard that install and fine-tuning is a little bit of a job because it's pretty sensitive to cable housing length. So I'll give you guys an update on that once I install it. So okay, front and rear comes with the brake pads already. They say it's Swiss stops, but I'm not sure. Doesn't look like it, but I'll be changing that with the salmon. So like I said, this is the gunmetal color. It's in a darker shade of gunmetal, so it's perfect for the black frame. So that's that. Comes with this, some tools, washers, and cable pinch that goes right here in the hook. I weighed it on my scale. It's 48.48 pounds, which is equivalent to 217 grams. So, but supposedly it's rated at sub 200s. It says on the website it's like 197. So, well, I don't know. Maybe without the pads there or something. Most likely without the pads. It's just the cartridge holder and the brake itself. So it's a good buy. I got it for $130 in Planet X website. They have different colors in there and stuff like that. So for the weight weenies out there, you know, who doesn't want to spend thousands of dollars for brakes? Well, performance-wise, I still have to try it out and update, see what I think regarding the brake. So performance-wise, but like I said, quality-wise, it seems like it's a quality-made product. You know, it's nicely machined, color's good hardware. So I'll be updating this video once I install it and start using it. Alright, so check back for the update. Thanks.